Hi guys, this is 𝗪𝗲𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃. I'm going to be explaining to you how to link your Google Analytics account to your WordPress website. Google Analytics stores data and they help you in also analyzing your visitors' data. So here are some of the things that your Google Analytics can help you to carry out. First, people are visiting your website. With Google Analytics, you'll be able to know the number of people who visit your website daily, weekly, monthly. They give you average numbers and so on. Google Analytics, are they coming from United Kingdom? Are they coming from the United States? Are they coming from India? Google Analytics will help you to know exactly where your users are coming from. Google Analytics also spend 2 hours, do they spend 10 minutes? Google Analytics will help you to be able to know exactly how long your visitors stay on your website. Now the last one is Google Analytics going to use and so on, or maybe 150, 200 pages and so on. But with Google Analytics, you will be able to know the number of pages that are ranking the most, and you will be able to know probably the keyword that is ranking the most for this number of pages. So I'm going to go down into the steps on how you can link your Google Analytics to your website now. So first, just the way you have seen it here, you search in the Google Analytics, and then you come down. You might see an ad, but you come down to Google Analytics here, click on Google Analytics. Let's give it time to load. Welcome to Google Analytics. Okay, start measuring. We click on start measuring. You create an account name for your Google Analytics. So I'm going to use the name of my website as my account name. We go down, click on next. I'm going to be asked to input a property name. Okay, I've done that. Currency, I want my currency to be in dollars. Just leave it in pounds. Okay, let's leave it in pounds. Click on next. Your experience answering this. Okay, I'm going to select it's a small business, 1 to 10 employees. Measure sites, app data. Okay, let's select all of this. We want to actually experience Google Analytics to its fullest and create. Okay, accept. Let's create the Google Analytics account we have created. Let's accept everything. Okay, accept. We're going to select the web. We'll select the web and enter the name of our website. That's the website URL we have entered there. We'll now enter the name of our website. Create stream. And everything has been done. And from here, you can stop here. Let's go back to our website. So now I've set up the Google Analytics, and now we are going to go ahead and install the Google Analytics into our website. And I'm going to give you the procedure here. So the first thing you are going to do is you are going to go to your website, because you need to access your website first. Okay, I'm trying to log into my website. Now we are logged in. So when you are logged in, the first step here is you go to plugins, click on add new. Search for sites kit. we are going to make use of the 𝘁𝗃𝗃𝗃 by Google. I already have it installed, so I'm going to activate it now. 𝘁𝗃𝗃 is now installed. Congratulations, the 𝘁𝗃𝗃 plugin is now installed. So on the first step, the second step rather, you are going to, so now the second step, you are going to click on Start Setup. I uninstalled it because I wanted to run this tutorial, so I'm going to reset my 𝘁𝗃𝗃. But if you're installing 𝘁𝗃𝗃 for the first time, you're not going to be seeing this reset 𝘁𝗃𝗃 here, so I'm going to reset 𝘁𝗃𝗃. Reset. Give it time, it's going to clear off all the data. Everything is done. So now we're going to link our Gmail to the 𝘁𝗃𝗃𝗃. So first you click on Help Improve 𝘁𝗃𝗃𝗃 here. You select that also. Sign in with Google. Select your mail. Continue. Now this is a very easy process. All you have to do is keep on accepting and going next. 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 Okay, now our Gmail has now been linked to 𝘁𝗃𝗃𝗃. We're going to now make some final connections here in the WordPress dashboard. Configure analytics, yes. Proceed. Continue. Just like I said, the process is very easy. It's just for you to accept everything and keep on clicking on continue. Now the analytics have been linked, and I want to go to settings. Now we have successfully linked our page speed, insight, analytics, and search console. Now you might not see all of this linked in your own dashboard, so when you come here, all you have to do is link them. Maybe in your dashboard you might see only your analytics link. Go ahead and link your search console. Go ahead and link your page insights. So connect more services. I want to connect more services. I want to connect this to AdSense. Go ahead. Continue. Continue. And that is all for this. So you will give analytics some time. Sometimes it takes up to 24 hours for analytics to gather your website data over time, but this shouldn't take more than 48 hours. So now I've successfully linked our analytics tool to the WordPress website. So this is how simple it is to link the whole tool to WordPress website. And if you have any issue, you will let me know then.